We have been receiving feedback from our users about dealing with multiple photos within one element. The challenge was how to organize those photos in a way that would be useful for their deliverable in Document View. Document View allows you to select First File only to use the first photo of that field on your document. But what happens if the photo that you want to use is not the first one in that field? A good solution we have been suggesting is to make a dedicated file field for that image or images. You can name that Document Photos and use that one to control which photo or photos will make it to your document view. So in this example, I will remove the old field that contains all my photos, and I will just drag and drop the Document Photos field that I just created. We took that a step further to help mitigate the process of making another field. You can now click on the three dots on the image itself and remove the tag that associates it with the field it belongs to. What that does is that it keeps the photo as part of your element under the Files tab, but it will not be part of the file field that gets dragged and dropped in your document view. This way, you can keep your photos as part of your elements data, but not included on your document.